If you are part of multiple WhatsApp groups and you feel overwhelmed managing all of them, WhatsApp has introduced one of their coolest features called the WhatsApp Community. Stay tuned as I take you through on how to use it. WhatsApp Community is all about bringing all groups that you manage under one umbrella. Me as a digital marketer, I manage multiple groups in a day. This amazing WhatsApp feature had made my life easier. Here is how to create a WhatsApp community.
Now let me quickly show you how to create a WhatsApp community. The first thing you need to do is to click on WhatsApp and click on communities. Now click on new community and click on get started. Now you need to give your community a name. So the name of my community is Joel's Studio. Now I have the option to add description, but WhatsApp have already given us a description, but if you want to do some changes, you can do that. The next thing you need to do is to click on change photo. Now you can change the photo by clicking on the camera, gallery, emoji and stickers, or the search web. Now all you need to do is to click on this icon here and our community have been created, that is Joel Studio. The next thing we need to do is to click on add group. Now we have the option to create a new group or add existing groups. So we click on add existing groups. Now I have some view groups that I want to use. So we have the Smarty group, and then you click on the arrow green sign. If you want to add another community to it, if you want to add a Smarty to the community, you click on add to community. Now Smarty had been added to our community. Thank you very much.